Hi friends, I am an IELTS instructor and I have been training students for the last 20 years, and this is my new YouTube channel. Welcome. So my name is Gurleen Singh and I am from India, and I am an IELTS instructor, and I've been teaching since 2005, and I welcome all of you to my channel. And like I said, I have been teaching since 2005, and during these 20 years, I think I've taught thousands and thousands of students. It's been a wonderful journey, but most of it has been inside the classroom. But now I want to come online and share my experience in the hopes that it can help you get better in your IELTS score. So the name of my channel is Gurleen's IELTS channel, in short GIC, and I'll upload regularly videos every week to help all of you out there who cannot afford to go to a classroom or who want someone who can help them prepare at home all the time at their ease. And this is where I'm going to help you. The channel is pretty much for everyone, for every level of skill. If you are at 5 bands or even lower than 5 bands, I will help you train how to get from 4 or 4.5 to 5 bands. And if you're at 5 to 5.5, I will definitely help you how to get to 6 bands. And if you're from 6 to 7 and onwards, my personal score is 8.5 bands, and I also have 7 each in all the modules, as you may see on the screen. So the channel is going to cater to every single one of you. It's just a matter of time that I begin to upload the videos, lectures, and guidance on how to get it done. So how the channel is going to work? Well, it's going to stay pretty much organized. Every week, videos will be uploaded. I'll start off uploading my videos or my tutorials or my part of training with writing section, and it will slowly add up as you will visit my channel. In the introduction, I will be posting systematic display of all the tutorials so that you don't have to feel lost about where to start and where not to start. And of course, if you get confused about anything anywhere, in the comments below, put a comment. I'll get back to you and answer all your queries. So once again, welcome to my channel. I hope you have a great time preparing for IELTS. Thank you.